how to buy Node Sphere or Sphere AI token. So this token came under the symbol of NCAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is the referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the referral code, same as codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description now. Before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinEx. Now, to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token address is under this wallet network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Go to your wallet, select this wallet as a network. As you can see, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added, that's called NCI. So as you can see, click on it, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So in a while, you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, this is it. Now after that, it is and simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy NCI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.